If you're anything like me, then you understand the sheer joy of immersing yourself in the world of One Piece. I cosplay a lot of their characters and it's also one of my comfort shows. And today I will get into the One Piece world more with the Xiaomi TV A Pro 32. It features hardware including a quad-core Cortex A55 CPU, Mali G31 MP2 GPU, 1.5 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of storage. Package includes the Xiaomi TV A Pro 32, a screws bag, a 360 Bluetooth remote control, a power cable for setup, user manual, warranty card, and stand components for easy installation. And really, the installation was quick and easy. Here we have a variety of ports including HDMI, USB 2.0, Ethernet, CI slot, and a 35mm headphone jack. So I'm just setting this up. For the connectivity, it offers both 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi options, Bluetooth 5.0, and supports various broadcasting systems including digital video broadcasting satellite 2 and DVB-T2C. Also presented here are the available input sources. It is also powered by Google TV, making it a smart entertainment hub. I can stream my favorite anime series and control with Google Assistant. And of course, Netflix. I actually really enjoyed the audio quality. It comes with 20 watts speakers featuring Dolby Audio, DTS:X, and DTS Virtual X support. It has 32-inch screen size, which may not satisfy those wanting a larger display, but I think is well suited for appreciating animation details. Next feature that I'm checking out is Miracast, and it actually is really easy to set up with my phone. So I input my favorite sitcom for a while just to check out, although I have noticed that there has been some delay for the visual and audio part.
Harry's still not answering his phone. Why am I only able to catch up with this baby?
Another thing I'm very excited about is YouTube. It is already built in here, and I do watch a lot of video analysis regarding One Piece, and I do it while eating and doing other things.
A princess, a wannabe Oden. This is the truth behind the controversial rise and fall of Yamato.
In general, the Xiaomi TV A Pro 32 offers a reliable platform for enjoying anime with decent clarity and detail.